Today's video will explore HTML headings. HTML headings are used to display titles or subtitles on a web page. We have from H1 to H6. There is nothing like H7, by the way. So H1 to H6 tags are used to define HTML headings. H1 shows the most important heading and H6 shows the least important heading. We will head over to VS Code and do a demonstration there for you to see. When we come to our VS Code, the first heading tag we will be looking at is H1. H1 signifies the most important heading tag. One thing to also note is that H1 should be used once in a web page. Also not skip heading tags. For instance, you cannot use an H2 for a main heading and use an H1 for a subtitle. Let's go ahead and look at the various headings. We have H1, which signifies the most important heading. We will preview this to see how it's going to look like on the web page. And there is H2, second most important heading. We go on to H3, third most important heading. H4, fourth most important heading. H5, and the last one, which is H6 heading tag. There is nothing like H7. We have from H1 to H6, so please take note. And H6 is used for the least important heading. So you can consider this, and this is all about HTML headings. Thank you for watching.